Utie Oha Extra Ponkno Needs FM.
Just before you go, Lawyer John Daku, the spectacle of was it about 7 or 8 in all? Now 8 in all, no, 7 of them. Now NDC legal team, were denied of what they wanted. Na ninyina so no 7070 and only an exception of 90. Then at the point of striking out some of the paragraphs, Rojo Metal Nunu, Nanka, respondents would want 26 out of 32 paragraphs sponged. Na Omunya just about 4 out of 32, and a year, Jumano. That spectacle say 707090 up to 7 of them. No, how does it impact on the Obebe can say the performance in the conduct of this particular matter of the NDC legal team?
Well, with the media representative lawyers, you are as good as your brief. If you're a lawyer, you are as good as your brief. I said no, and yeah, we kofa Yesu Kristo mo be made in differently. But kofa lawyer can see or we are to be aba. I said yeah, na nye. We hear Donald Trump. Or no so yeah that is going contest election results. No, on the about cases, and the back and a call in his favor. It was because then the case name. I don't think so. Now because lawyers no and na any per se. It will be baby say we case in ya Oma we lawyers ebre and no be and na air cost no. Me the medical can say lawyers no omo
bo. Okay. Into your expectation there, Mimusao, ye nyina ye betwen ama court no yahwe de wo ebeye subsequently. But so wo hwe legal teams ni mienu nyina omo posture when they come out of the courtroom ebeshia press no a, would you have any comment on the conduct of such press briefing nana?
me feel say idea introduce you this time pa efe na ise ukran. The only problem and say we a lawyer Emma in this particular case either a petitioner or a respondent. No trainer or casta. And yeah, now the law is always mixed with politics. And you see, especially when interpretation, no one can in such a way say, as only the partner do is because they are not at this point doing law, they are doing politics. If you say the path, say, agree be a who makes it, which said the bear, yes, so a chairman to me, a better yes. I mean, the mechanic say, that they should stick with the facts as happened in court. Now, Omo enjoy a good idea, make the politicization of the whole process. Because they want to be a politician, yeah. They will say, I didn't know because politics there, but we do not say we can as a lawyer there. I'll say Embrano and our can. It will be a court, no one will chilling. Now, you could say a penina. Now, quite say, court, I'm making it no, be asking me. You leave the world confused. And to me, the message say, a true step of Mubekasa, and the idea manager home very fantastic. They should stick to the decisions as were rendered by the court. Now, Umunyai, the commentary, Emma, as a political commentator. The political commentator, Kasa, that's the became one. You feel it differently. The lawyer, Kasa, I expect that Obeka and Marano said he see our court.
Now, in your observation, who say be a legal team back on and moko the other legal team, Anna?
But who catch I think that you're Gabi Asarashedako. And I think there could joke Omuka and send back who may be a sometimes it is one of these things in jest. Now be a Muba cook I say and it's they've been dribbled or something like that. No, many people and politics no more I would you can try. And see a win, see a baby also. A Juma and this loves no iron. Ubaba, papa, now the electoral commission. And then another lawyer, almost above Muhammad. And then see, Ma Ubia and consider na enkopa enibrebia emba ubia abahumadu ubia edwuma kama nti o se omu nyina ya bo baba so.
To the extent to say a member of the respondents legal team spokesperson and national youth organizer of the MPP, Nana Boache Henry, this morning on Peace. So Justin said the lead counsel for the petitioners, Chachuchi Kata, it's the one should the interest of the petitioner, but rather or troni book and now or pese or prolong processes with his antics such that obit me various chapters for his books within the profession. Is it encouraged for juniors to mock their seniors in this way, Anna?
Many say the Nana be a kind of maintenance. No, I can't say I'm in trouble to the whole council. Or can't say and Charlie. Then you are going to be when you're national organizer, I think so you're youth organizer of NPP. Now, who here, because I mean, did he say, Papa, he has paid his dues to the bar and to the nation. A Juma warrior, did he say, or the Akumapa and a Juma Ama, you are John Mahama. Staff comment is Ama. If you say a political, and now, this is a lawyer. We are lawyer, dear. Oh, Cassa, now what we need, Eka. Meaning, he said, you can criticize him based on the law. Maybe he was wrong in law in making a particular application. But said, was really good. And these are all conjectures. We don't know these things as fact. It will be said, the big idea and change. So far, no, everything legal team, we didn't say, oh, my idea, Kogi has done well. The other ladies and all the other people. But if you these excesses, no, any idea, I say you concentrate your attention on and say that and change. But I think that we can say very minimal. And then see, you
to the extent to say, ahead of say petitioners, a petitioner and a court, no, you supporters on the streets and or more actions and or more antics are somewhat not a threaten the peace of the state. Anunti kasani nyina ba say go to court. Na go to court na court. Na yesan hwe ye ho ama ye mom feel humiliated. Next time obi din sem hunu on the streets now. Would that person heed to good counsel? The go to court, Anna.
Well, I mean, how will be humiliated? It isn't an idea, just a footnote in the whole story. It means no a bit to me, I could say humiliated. Maybe if you take almost all the decisions I call against you and to move to feel humiliated, I know they make me a bit. No matter say, if the law is not on your side, nobody can help you. No, it is also important that and from any year a book could be ano. And yes, say you be court than say you be see a queen and I say you better train and I say you better time, and I say you better come to court. You must always encourage people to go to court. Court, okay. And never you other to be Kunim, and I say Ubidi Kubu. You did say Nana Ado in 2013, Ubidi Kubu, or Kasa, the teacher put in and said, Ubia any room say on the court to know any idea. That's also what you took. Emma Kumina AD. It's Ubia emphasize attitude, no. Maybe I will say, you mean when you get to me, accept your problem, and it's not course no. It doesn't matter how you feel. The court must always be the place to resolve our differences. And this is because there was a protective court. We have to insulate the court from the partisan policies. So they are parties living now. A BBR will be every free set. We hear justice now. We be in the court now. What could the justice?
Na eja utu
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.